Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day, everyone. Okay, this recorded video is intended to demonstrate, okay, how do we connect our machine to the remote desktop in the advanced IC design lab. Okay, so to do that one, okay, we need to have the AnyDesk.exe software. So this already uploaded in your Google Classroom under Lab 0. Okay. Together with this, I also uploaded the Lab 0 Part A manual and also Lab 0 Part B manual. So Part A is actually on VCS, Verilog Compiler Simulator, where we do a behavioral simulation. And the recorded video for this part is actually Synopsys VCS Part 1 and Synopsys VCS Part 2. Okay, and then for the second lab manual, which is Lab 0 Part B, using DC, design compiler, whereby you will synthesize your multiplexer design in Lab 0 Part A. Okay, and then the recorded video for design compiler, okay, you can see here, Synopsys design vision here. Okay, and then Part 1 until Part 4. All right, so for this video, I'm showing you how to connect your machine, your computer to the laboratory computer in the advanced IC design lab in our university. So you need to have this software. Okay, you just double click on this, then you download it and download anyway. This will take some time depending on your machines. Okay, it's now downloaded and then you show in the folder. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, now the AnyDesk is ready. You just double click on this to open the AnyDesk. Okay, now we can see the AnyDesk software. Okay, so you need to have a password to enter to the remote desk. Okay, the password will be given to you. Okay, so maybe I can show you the password. Okay, so we need to have the AnyDesk ID and also AnyDesk password. Okay, so depending on group lah. Okay, for example, group number 1. Okay, you allocated for Synopsys PC number 7. So Synopsys PC number 7 is in the lab. Okay, and then the remote ID for that PC is actually this number. So this is actually the username. You copy this, and then you go to the remote desk, and then you paste it. Okay, and then you connect. Okay, if you get this kind of information, means that this PC is offline. Okay, so no matter how many times you retry, it's still not okay. Means that this PC in the lab is not online. Either it's not online or it's turned off. So what you need to do, you cancel this, you try another PC lah. For example, we try for group number 2. Okay, group number 2. Okay, but all each group need to use their own allocated PC lah. Okay, don't use your friend PC. Okay, and then go back here. So this is just for demo purpose lah. Okay, and then you connect. Okay, see, so we have entered the password. Sorry, we have entered the username for the remote desk, and now for the password. Then for the password for Synopsys 8 for group number 2, and this is the password. You copy the password and you go to the AnyDesk, and then and if you want it to be automatically log in for you, you just tick this one. Okay, and then you okay. And now it's bringing you to the PC in the lab. So what you need to do, you move it up and then see your username for the Synopsys PC in the lab. Okay, so in this case, you go back to your group. So your group is S1 G2. Okay, and the password is this one. So you copy this password. Okay, and then you go back to your remote desktop. Okay, and then you paste the password here. If let's say your name is not here, your username is not here, you just click here, log in as another user. Okay, then it will list all the name of the user. Okay, if not listed, you just click this here and then you give your name. But normally it's listed lah. Yeah. Okay, so US1G2. You double click on it and then you paste that password. S1G2. Okay, this is the password. You copy the password and then you back to the remote desktop and then you paste and then you sign in. Okay. If you, it depends on your computer, you have to wait for a while for the connection. Okay, if it takes so a long time, you need to reconnect again. Okay, for this case, it's quite a long time. Okay, so to do the interconnection, to reconnect it again, you can either close this. Okay, close the program. Sometimes it happens, sometimes mostly not. Okay, and then you can reopen again your AnyDesk. Okay, then you go back to your Synopsys AnyDesk, okay, which is this one. Copy this. Okay, you put here. Okay, you connect, and then you go back to get the password. So this is the password, Synopsys 08. Okay, then you connect them. Okay, now you are directly connected to the what we call as PC. Okay, in the lab. Normally you will be asked to input the Synopsys password and username, but we already tried just now. Then it has met the memory, and then it automatically goes to this PC in the lab. Okay, so to start your lab, double click inside the home folder and then create your folder, and then you may proceed your lab. Okay, same for the other group. Okay, let's say you wanted to try Synopsys 9 computer, which is for group number 3. Okay, so this is the AnyDesk password. Copy it, and then you go to the here remote desk, and then you paste, and then you connect. Okay, just wait for a while for the system to connect. Okay. All right. So in this case, you already connect to the. We have the previous history lah. Okay, that's where the computer can memorize. Okay, and then for group for group number 3. So let me see it. So group number 3, the password. Okay, the username is S1G1. Okay. S1G1 is already memorized. S1G1. Okay, and then the password you take it from here. Okay, this is the password. Okay, then then you sign in. Okay. Okay, now we going into the PC in the lab. Okay, we can close this. Okay, and then now you're ready. Okay, just open this and then you create your own what we call folder, okay, to differentiate, okay, between yours and others. Okay, hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Okay, and that's all, and thank you.